A portable exercise bike is a small piece of fitness equipment. Similar in concept to a stationary bicycle, but very different design. This innovation has been updated to reflect the most accurate regarding to the portable exercise bike, available for those who are interested in exercising indoor.
Cycling is an incredible way to get your heart rate up with minimal impact on your joints. Indoor exercise bikes have a smaller footprint than something like a treadmill or an elliptical machine. However, they still take up a decent amount of space with their fixed bases, which can be detrimental in smaller homes when you're trying to tidy things up.
For the second column, according to Max Schumpert, this article has been updated to reflect the most accurate information regarding to our portable exercise bike available for those who are interested in exercising at home. The best 7 available have changed, and information has been added to assist individuals in finding the best portable exercise bike currently available on the market. The FAQ has also been updated. This is where a portable exercise bike with phone holder can be very useful. If you're not someone who is going to be pounding the pedals for an hour or two each day and don't need some kind of home gym quality bike, but rather someone who likes to go for a quick ride every now and then to burn some calories but doesn't want to dedicate a corner of your home as a permanent residence for a spin bike, then a portable exercise bike is perfect for you.